Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make hummus. Hummus is an original Arabic dish. It is really easy to make and a great appetizer. Some people even eat it as breakfast. The best way to eat it is with fresh pita bread. If you want to see how to make your own pita bread, check the link in the description below. Let's get started. Add 60 ml of tahini and 60 ml of fresh lemon juice. Remember, it must be equal parts. Mix it with the food processor until it has a uniform consistency. This may take several minutes. You can flavor it with anything you like. I used fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt to taste, and a half teaspoon of cumin. Mix it again until the consistency is smooth. Add half of your chickpeas. Remember to drain the canned chickpeas first. Mix until smooth and then add the rest. Keep adding little bits of water until it is soft and creamy. Just before serving, add olive oil and paprika to enhance the taste. It came out really deliciously. Remember to check the links in the description below for the tahini and the pita bread. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will see you next time. Bye guys.